Hello, rockers. Here we are again with another quiz on passive voice. Check how questions are made. Yes, question word, verb to be in the tense you need, and then the subject and then the past participle, all right? So that would be the formula for the question. And then the answer goes as we usually do subject, verb to be, past participle, and if it's important by agent. So it's a mix of questions that students have chosen, all right? So let's see how much you know about them. Hmm? First one, when was Argentina declared independent? It was declared independent on July the 9th, 1816. We all know that. Now, another question. When was the IMF founded? This is the International Monetary Fund. It was founded in 1944. Remember that founded means fundado. Hmm? And it's a regular verb, and the infinitive is found, fundar. Now, who were the movies Avatar directed by? They were directed by Cameron. Now, when were the movies Avatar released? There, if I'm not mistaken, two of them were released and one will be released at the end of the year. So the After Saga has been unfolding over quite a cinematic timeline. Yes, the first one, Avatar, was released on December the 16th, 2009. A long time ago. I remember what's so shocking, so beautiful. Now, Avatar, The Way of Water, was released on December the 18th, 2022. The Way of Water. And Avatar Fire and Ash will be released. This is in the future because now we are in July 2025. So it will be released on December the 19th, 2025. There will be an update next year. Now, when was the iconic graphic novel The Eternaut published? The Eternaut was first published on September the 4th, 1957 in the Argentine comic magazine Hora Cero Semanal. Now, who, people, who was the iconic graphic novel The Eternaut written by? It was written by Hector Germán Osterheld and fantastically illustrated by Francisco Solano Lopez. And now, when was the series The Eternaut released? The Eternaut was officially released on April the 30th, 2025 on the platform Netflix. Pay attention, officially is an adverb. We can include an adverb between the verb to be and the past participle. Now here we have a controversial question. It says, where was Bic invented? My answer will always be, it was invented in Argentina, but wherever you find, wherever you search, it says. The iconic Bic crystal pen was invented in Clichy, France, just north of Paris. In 1950, French entrepreneur Marcel Bic improved upon the ballpoint pen design originally patented by Hungarian-Argentine inventor Laszlo Biro. Using Swiss watchmaking tools, Bic perfected the manufacturing process and launched the Bic crystal, which quickly became a global sensation. And another I found company Society Bic was officially founded, fundado, in 1953 and still has its headquarters in Clichy today. Not bad for a pen that started in Parisian suburb and ended up in the Museum of Modern Art. Amazing. So, this is a list of some questions and answers. Practice, yes, there's a lot to learn, a lot to practice. You can apply them. Try to, for example, play with some friends and you practice those questions and answers. Yeah, incorporate, yes, go it. I mean, in your body, it has to go through your body. The best way to pronounce them aloud en voz alta, all right? And well, you can have more, you're right, more comments in the comments, more ideas, sorry, in the comments, and start using them actively, please. This is the best way. Practice makes perfect. All right. Keep on rocking it. Bye bye.